While you're probably not familiar with the Glera grape, I'm sure you're familiar with Prosecco, right? Hey, welcome back. It's day 7 of the 2024 Wine Advent Calendar from Drinking It In. We're going to talk about the Glera grape. The Glera grape is the grape that makes up Prosecco. While you're probably not familiar with the Glera grape, I'm sure you're familiar with Prosecco, right? The delicious, bubbly wine from the northern part of Italy. Very light in body, no tannins, and a lovely acid profile. I think when I think of Prosecco, I am always thinking about apples, citrus, peach, and just and a touch of sweetness. Can be sweet here and there. There are a lot of good Prosecco on the market. I think if you want to, if you want to kind of step up a little bit in Prosecco, you're going to want to look for the labels of Treviso, Valdobbiadene, or Cartizze. The wine that I'm going to recommend for this video is the Marsuret Prosecco Treviso. I just did a video, more of a deep dive on Prosecco. So if you want to learn more about that, I'll link that guy up right here, and I will see you tomorrow.